Greetings from Asktenali, and we will be discussing how to increase personal power. Sam is working. He is working in a multinational company, and he wants to increase his personal power. So, what are the sources? So, he wants to increase his personal power. Then, how can he increase it? Let us see. Information power. Information is actual power. So he collects as much information as possible regarding his profession, his job, his company, the competitor, the markets, and also the trends. So as he collects more information, his information power increases, which he can use within the organization and outside the organization. Reward power. Certain positions enables the person who is holding that power to give out rewards. Coercive power, now this is a legal power, this is a constitutional power or organizational power, which comes from again from the position he is holding. Situation power. Certain times, you are the person who can fulfill the need of a person or an organization because you're in the right place at the right time. So what happens? You're in the situation, let's say you are a seller, and you're the only person who can provide a particular service at a particular time. That increases your power. Expertise. Now, you're skilled, you're an expert in a specific area, and people consult you on that particular issue because you are considered as an authority, as an expert in that issue, and that gives you some power. Referent power is by holding certain standards. So you have certain standards, people, and you have certain integrity, and people respect you for that. So that also adds to your personal power. There are other powers also, like conditional power, based on conditions, and there are also other skills which can give you power, like you're a good listener, they got good communication skills, there are other skills like soft skills, managerial skills, supervisory skills, so many other things which adds to your power. So keep on adding to your power here and work on that. We at Asktenali conduct number of seminars. You can visit our site, and the details are www.asktenali.com. Thank you.